tea. Like and subscribe, this is where you wanna be. Cause you know we gon' talk about it. Let's talk about it. Get in here, we in here tonight. So get in here, we in here to vibe.
Oh, where's my picture? Hold on, y'all. Oh, Lord. Hold on, y'all. Can y'all hear me? What I done did, child. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Can y'all see me? Because I can't see me. I'm trying to figure out why I can't see me. Thumbs up if y'all can see me, because I can't see I mean, not even see me, but hear me at this point. Thumbs up if y'all can even hear me. Can y'all see me? Why am I not being shown? She said, no, we can't see you. What I done did, y'all? What I done did? Hold on. It says, add the stage. I did. Hold on. What I done did, what I done did, what I done did. Am I even in here? Good Lord. Hold on, y'all. Figure out what I done did. But why am I not on stage? It says I'm on stage. Hold on, y'all. Let me go out and come back in. Hold on. Can y'all hear me now? What in the world? Hold on. Let me find out what I did. I have no idea. She says, no, we can't see you. Where in the world am I? I must have put some type of overlay over here. I got to figure it out, y'all. Yeah, but my face is still. Oh, Lord, I didn't know I did all that. Well, y'all might not be able to see me because I can't see myself, and it's going to feel different. I don't know why I can't see myself, though. This is going to bug the dog shit out of me. Hold on a second, y'all. Damn. What I did? Oh, y'all ain't even going to believe this. Okay, I am a dumbass. Oh, my God. I changed the layout. Okay, hold on. I see what I did. Is that it? Okay, yeah. Okay, all right. Anyway, y'all, I am back. And we are about to discuss the Tasha K and Kevin Hart's lawsuit. Yes. Kevin Hart is suing Tasha K. Thumbs up if you can see and hear me. Thumbs up if you can see and hear me. Thumbs up. And I got me a Coca-Cola. She said, who's the artist singing in your intro, honey? Is his name Jermaine Cutesy? Are you in here, girl? Is his name Jermaine? Child, I gotta look it up again. I know I feel awful that I forgot his name, but I think it's Jermaine. I'll get that information for you. And if anybody got a YouTube channel that want his information, he can do your intros the way you won't get flagged by copyright struck by YouTube, because YouTube will copyright strike your ass if you use somebody else's music without paying for it, child. And it costs like $9.99 or whatever to download a song or something like that that has the license. But he actually sung, so I gave him a little bit more. But anyway, y'all, so there is a lawsuit. Tasha K, everybody knows that she got sued by Cardi B, okay? You would think that would be enough because that lawsuit cost Tasha K almost $4 million, okay? She would have to pay almost $4 million for defaming Cardi B, for slandering and defaming Cardi B, saying that she had herpes, saying that she transmitted it to her daughter through kisses, and some other shit, right? Even though Cardi B contacted Tasha personally via her Insta message and said, from mother to mother, from woman to woman, from wife to wife, right? I understand you have a job that you have to do, but I am respectfully asking you to take down these videos and tell all these people that you lied on me. Tasha K said, hell no, I ain't taking shit down. Something like that, right? Something like that. So Cardi B said, oh, really? Okay, all right, I got your ass. And she made a video and said, I'ma sue you, bitch. I'm gonna sue you, bitch. So apparently, something similar happened with Kevin Hart and Tasha K. Kevin Hart attorney sent out a cease and desist and said, look, we understand that you have some information, right? Because they found out that she spoke with, and I'm gonna read it in the court filings because y'all, I got it, child. Woo. I can't tell you how I got it just yet, because I might, if I tell you, I'm gonna have to kill you. Okay. And I ain't trying to unalive nobody up in here. So I can't tell you how I got it just yet. But Kevin Hart found out that Tasha K was going to have an interview with his old assistant, right? And he said, listen, he sent a cease and desist from his attorney saying, do not engage with her. Don't talk to her. She is under a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, okay? She is under a non-disclosure agreement, and the agreement was supposed to protect his information. Anything that she witnessed, saw, heard, came encountered with in his home while she was working with him, anything about him, she was supposed to not tell. But guess what? That non-disclosure agreement that she signed, it even included Tasha K name in it. It included her name. Imagine that. I'm not sure why he got an NDA that included Tasha K name, but he did. He included that she could not speak to Tasha K. That she could never speak to Tasha K about information that surrounded him, what he does, all that good shit, right? Because Kevin Hart knew what Tasha K does. She go after people after they scandals and this, that, and the other, and she report, on celebrities and their gossip or their shit, things that they do, right? Their scandals or whatever, right? She get the juicy shit. Tasha K goes for the juicy shit. I ain't gonna blame Tasha K for going for the juicy shit. However, what I blame her for is putting her own spin on it, okay? To make it sound better. And the way she do it, we're gonna find out, okay? So anyway, so she was under a non-disclosure agreement, and her name is Misha Shakes. So not only is Kevin Hart suing Tasha K, he's also suing Misha. Because he's like, Misha, I told your ass. And let me even go a little further, okay? The NDA that Misha Shakes signed, also, she got paid for it. He paid her. The NDA was for 3 years. She got paid $30,000 a year for 3 years. So he paid her $90,000 because she worked for him for 3 years. So she got $30,000 a year to keep her mouth closed. Now that wasn't her salary. She got paid her salary, whatever he paid her. But on top of that, he paid her $30,000 a year to just not tell his business. She was his assistant. And we already know assistants know a whole lot of information. They know everything about you. They know you creeping and shit. They know shit about you. They know you cheating. They know you're broke. They know, you know what I'm saying? They know if you fronting for the gram. They know. They know this shit about you. Okay? So this girl was getting paid whatever salary that Kevin Hart was paying her. I don't know. I'm assuming it was decent because she stayed for 3 years as his assistant. She wasn't his nanny. She wasn't his caretaker. She wasn't his maid. She was his assistant. She booked his flights, made sure he kept his calendar straight, that type of shit. She was his assistant, okay? I don't know what all that job entails. I didn't look into that right there. So, but she was his assistant. That was her title. So she got paid whatever salary plus this NDA came with $30,000 a year to just keep her damn mouth closed about him and what's surrounding him. Okay. She agreed to it. She said, okay, I will. Where do I sign? Okay, we good. We good. Okay. Listen. We need to vet our assistants these days. You can't just hire any old person as your assistant. They get mad at you, fall out with you, and then want to go tell it all. Tell every damn thing. Just hateful, mean, spiteful ass people. And now let me say this. Again, all of this, I got my disclaimer up here. All of this is just alleged. I don't know if this shit is true or not. However, I heard, which when I heard it, I was like, what? Really? I heard Tasha K does not pay anybody that come with teeth. She don't give them no damn money. So all these people that you see on Tasha K, they voluntarily gave up free ass information. The people that's trying to rat out other people and go to Tasha K and spill their guts, only thing they get is a plane ticket and maybe a hotel fee. That's it. She do not pay them for their information. Plane ticket and a hotel. That's it. That's all. To come do an interview and spill all of this stuff. So apparently, and we're gonna read this. We're gonna read this lawsuit. But apparently, allegedly, Tasha K. Well, the young lady sought out Tasha K. Misha Shakes contacted Tasha K. and said, I got some tea for you on Kevin Hart. You want it? And Tasha K said, I'm listening. What you got? What you got? And she said, okay, I know it all. I can't stand him. And I got the tea for your baby. And Tasha K said, now you know we don't pay for tea. And she says, I know. I don't care. I just don't like him no more. And I just want to tell it all. She said, okay, when you trying to get here? When you coming? I can have you on the next flight tomorrow. So anywho, she took her butt down there. Or I think Tasha K went to her and got the tea. But whatever the case, let's read a little bit of this lawsuit, okay? So right here, you are looking at the lawsuit from Kevin Hart. The plaintiffs is Kevin Hart and his company, Kevin Hart Enterprise. And the defendant is Misha Shakes, which was his assistant, and Latasha Transrena Kibi, which is Tasha K. Okay. And her Kibi Studios. So he made sure that he stuck in Kibi Studios as well. Okay. That's her business name. So those are the two defendants, and Kevin Hart is the plaintiff. Kevin Hart Enterprise. Okay. Anyway, let's go into it right quick. All right. I can tell you off the top of my head, we're going to read some of it. I ain't reading all this stuff, y'all. I'm going to let y'all know that now. If y'all want me to get y'all the documents, I see about it. We'll see. Okay. We'll see. I ain't gonna say I am. Anyway, let me give y'all a little bit more backstory of what I know before I read this, okay? So apparently, and we're gonna read it, but apparently he found out about the interview. You want to know how he found out? He found out because a member of Tasha K team, they still haven't said who, they just said a member of the team contacted Kevin Hart and said, listen, I got tea on you, bro. I know what you've been doing. I know what you like to do. I know all of that. I know what you did right now criminally. They can get you put away for a long time. I got the tea on you. Yeah, I got this long 3-hour interview on you. So let's talk about it. Let's negotiate. You give me $250,000 and this interview will not get posted. I'll make it disappear. But if you don't give me the $250,000, oh yeah, I'm gonna show this interview. I'm putting it out there. And the world gonna know your criminal activities, but they also gonna know some things that you don't want nobody else to know. Right? And Kevin apparently said, you know what? I ain't playing with your ass. My attorney is going to send you a cease and desist, and you are not to put any information out that my assistant gave you. So they did. They sent a cease and desist. Boom. In the cease and desist, it says, if you play that video, I'm going to sue your ass. But in the cease and desist, it actually said more than that. It said shit like, you know what? We know who you are, and we know you just got sued. We know you have a family and you got children to raise. Now, if you don't want another lawsuit, you're going to back the fuck up before you get smacked the fuck up. That's what Kevin them told her in their cease and desist. They said, now listen, I ain't playing with you. You think you got sued by her. You think you owe Cardi B some money. You gonna owe me an ass load of money fucking with me. Because Kevin said, we coming after attorney fees. We coming after stress. And what do you get in a lawsuit? You get not just for defamation, but they suing you for stress and you know, all that other shit, you know, that cause you tension or whatever they cause you. You know what I'm saying? I can't think of the name of it, but whatever it is, y'all know what I'm talking about. When people file for lawsuit, punitive damages, yeah, that's what it is. They're going after punitive damages as well. You causing me all this stress and shit. Yes. And I'm gonna get you for defaming my character because the things that my assistant has told you are lies. And if you put these lies out, you are further spreading slander against my name. So don't release the video. She says, nigga, fuck you. Tasha said, nigga, fuck you. So Tasha sent, she did like a little intro, a little small clip, an introduction to the video as a teaser to say, I ain't playing with you, Kevin. $250,000 need to be in my hand by 4 o'clock or I'm playing this video at 6. Kevin said, fuck you. Like I said, you play that video and I'm going to sue your ass. Okay? Anyway, she said the assistant is done too. Anyway, Tasha figured in her head, now this is all allegedly, that you know what? Him suing me or him saying he gonna sue me, give me a chance to drag him like she did Cardi. And she was able to make $4 million off of dragging Cardi. You know? When Cardi said, I'm gonna sue you, bitch. And Tasha said, well, sue me, bitch, because I'm gonna sue you back, bitch. Tasha made $4 million off of that back and forth. Some content creators call it smart because they say, listen, all you got to do to make money, because they even told me, I've been told this myself, Amora, fight with a bigger time YouTuber or fight with someone with a big name and you draw attention to your page. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. I ain't doing that. I'll continue my content, but I ain't trying to just go pick no damn fight. Now, if it just so happened to just fall in my lap, that's one thing. But I ain't going around and pick no damn fights. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, Tasha K figure, you know what? She tried with Beyonce. Beyonce gave her dust. You understand what I'm saying? She tried with a bunch of other little celebrities. She tried with Brianna. Brianna gave her dust. So when people don't react back to you, you look like you fight by yourself. It looks dumb, right? So when she can't get to people like Beyonce and whoever the other big time, so she tried to do not Jamie Foxx, but Will Smith. They gave her dust. You know, she did Will Smith like twice, gave her dust. And other big time celebrities, some of them go back and forth with her. Some of them say, eh. And if she go back and forth with you, and it ain't really making her no money because your supporters ain't coming after her, then she leaves it alone. She be like, whatever. I'm going to throw the white flag because this ain't making me no money, right? That's what she does. And she has thrown in the white flag on a few of them people. Like, that don't mean nothing. But Kevin Hart, I don't know if Kevin Hart so much has a support system. I'm sure he does. But she knew that this will make news. And if it makes news, people are going to be like, who's Tasha K? And they're going to come to her page and her views is going to go back up because since the Cardi B situation, Tasha K views went down a lot. Tasha K got over 1 million subscribers. Over 1 million subscribers. And Tasha K on some days was only getting like 12 to 15,000 views. With 1 million followers, Tasha K should be getting hundreds of thousands of views, right? But Tasha K views went down. People were mad at her about this Cardi B thing. They was like, God damn, girl, you did all this for some coins. Now she told the judge that it made her $4 million. So I mean, that's a lot of damn money. You hear me? But if I was her, if Cardi B called me on the phone and told me, can you take this down? I would take this shit down. You done already made the money, Tasha. It ain't like you was going to have to give it back. Anyway. So, like I said, she called up, or she didn't. Somebody from her team, because they said it was a guy, called up Kevin Hart's team, demanded $250,000, or they was going to release that video with the assistance. Kevin Hart team is fighting back. Okay, Kevin Hart team said, we warned you. We sent you a cease and desist. We told you what would happen if you play that damn video. So guess what? We're going to sue your ass, okay? So let's go into this lawsuit, y'all, okay? So like I said, the lawsuit took place. What's the dates? Hold on. What's the dates? Well, it was filed December the 26th at 9:18 p.m., honey, just recently. December the 26th was a few days ago, okay? So this is what it says. And you know what? Hold on, y'all. I kind of feel sorry for, wait a minute, hold on. Where's my thing? Oh, here we go. I kind of feel sorry for the husband, Tasha K husband, because I'm sure Tasha K husband like, God damn, you at this shit again? Hold on, I'm trying to move this thing over. Why is it not letting me move it over? All right, here we go. All right, here we go. We're going to read some of it, all right? Let me know if y'all can see this, or is it too small? Shit. Hold on. Let me stretch it a little bit. Let me know if y'all can. Okay, it should be right here. All right. Hold on. I'm trying to make sure I get all this shit. Now, of course, it's 21 pages, and I am not reading all the 21 pages, okay? But anyway, let me read the good shit. So right here, it says, so of course we all know Kevin Hart is the comedian, okay, and he is coming after. He is the comedian of Kevin Hart Enterprise. That's what KHE. If you see KHE, that stands for Kevin Hart Enterprise, okay. So it says, okay, God dang it, hold on. I'm trying to get this thing to stop going around the world. Hold on, come on. Give me a second, y'all. I don't know why this is doing this. Let me close all this other shit out. Maybe that's the reason. Maybe that is the reason. Hold on. I got too much stuff open. All right, this is the one I want to show. But I want to make it. Do y'all see what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to shorten these damn margins. Oh, okay, never mind. I see what it's doing. All right, but anyway. So anyway, the plaintiffs are informed and believed, and based on that at all times mentioned herein, it's defendant. You know what? I'm not even going to read the assistance part, because the assistance, basically all he's filing charges against her for is same thing, defamation, but also for breaking the non-disclosure agreement. Okay, a lot of people think that non-disclosure agreements are nothing, and most people will tell you they just pieces of paper, but it depends on what was written in the non-disclosure agreement. Okay, so it really depends on what was written in the agreement, whether or not it is he can sue or not. And this is what an attorney said, not myself, and I'm definitely not an attorney. Okay, so anyway, let me get to the good shit. Let's get to the good shit. I don't want to go all into the names and what they're going to be called and shit like that. All right, right here. Can y'all see this? It might be small. I don't even know if y'all said y'all can see it or not. She said he tired of people trying to extort him too, and I agree. Well, that's a whole different thing, because I actually heard that was not even true, but that's just me hearing that. Okay, listen. So right here, okay, right here, let me just say, they're doing this in Los Angeles, California. Of course, this is quite different than the courts that she already had to face. She had to face a court in Atlanta, Georgia. But right here, this is taking place. The lawsuit is coming out of Los Angeles, right? So this is in the Superior Court of Los Angeles, okay? So it's saying that she cannot exceed 20, what is this? Wait a minute, hold on. Defendant's wrongful acts were committed in Los Angeles, and the amount in controversy in this action exceeds. Oh, okay. So it says that he's suing for more than $25,000. Okay. In the state of Georgia, it's $15,000 that you can sue for without having to go get a lawyer and just do a whole sped out lawsuit. Okay. Right here in Los Angeles, it says it exceeds 25,000. So it must be 25,000 they can seed up to. So you already know he's going for way the fuck more than 25,000. Okay, so listen. So like I said, on Shakes, it just says during the course of her employment with Hearts and Heartbeat, Shakes, which is the assistant, served as Hart's personal assistant. In said capacity, Shakes was privy to certain confidential business and personal information regarding Kevin Hart, his family, his friends, his associates, and various of other Heartbeat personnel and employees. Okay. As a result, Shakes appeared to be in a position to disseminate, which is transfer or confirm allegation. To disseminate is to spread, right? To transfer to spread information, or confirm the information about those persons that was entitled to the information, regardless whether it was true or false. Okay. That was her job. She was assistant. She was privy to all his goddamn information. Okay. So it says upon her, and I'm not gonna read it all like it is on this thing, but I'm a state facts. Okay. But upon her employment, which was dated August the 8th of 2017, she agreed that she wouldn't run her mouth. Okay. Basically, that's what they're saying. She agreed when she was hired. She entered into a confidentiality agreement. She said, I telling shit. Okay. She said, your secrets are safe with me. She said, Mr. Kevin, you can do whatever you want to do. You can cheat, you can eat, you can lick, you can do whatever. And your secrets are safe with me. I ain't gonna tell nobody, Mr. Kevin Hart. That's what she said, okay? Just letting you know that's what she said. All right. So they entered their agreement the day she was hired. Okay. So he was smart about that. The confidentiality agreement, which we just gonna call it an NDA, it included matters concerning the business operation, business ideas, know-how, techniques, methodologies, and business relationship. Okay. And the reason why they put this in here, because believe it or not, I don't know what made him do that. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm reading too fast. I just saw something. I said wrong. So, okay, in 2017, she signed a confidentiality agreement. But in 2020 is when she signed the NDA. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure why. It says the confidential agreement further provided that Shakes expressly agrees that recipients shall not directly or indirectly, verbally or otherwise publish, disseminate, disclose, or cause to publish, disseminate, or disclose any confidential information to any person, firm, or entity. But here it says on October the 22nd of 2020, Shakes on the hand and Hart on behalf of himself and all other affiliates entered into a mutual release and non-disclosure agreement. Now, I don't even know the difference. Well, y'all can go look that up later. What's the difference between a confidentiality agreement and a non-disclosure agreement? Okay, if I got any lawyers in here, maybe y'all can break that down, but I'm not gonna break it down on here. But anyway, so in 2017, it was confidentiality. 2020, it was a non-disclosure, okay? She wasn't supposed to disclose shit. He was just trying to make sure he was covered, okay? So it looked like she worked for him from 2017 to 2020. So maybe when she was getting ready to depart, maybe he had her to do the NDA when she was getting ready to depart. Okay. So right here it says the NDA called for Hart, Kevin Hart, to pay Shakes $30,000 per year for a period of 3 years. Okay. Oh, you know what? I might be beginning to find out what happened. Okay, I'm about to speculate. I'm about to speculate. I'm about to speculate. I'm no lawyer, but I'm about to make a speculation. I think the assistant thinks because the NDA and her $30,000 a year only covered the 3 years. I think she's going to say this non-disclosure agreement was only for 3 years, which means after the NDA, I can say whatever I want. Do y'all hear me on that one? Now, I don't know if this is true, and I damn sure ain't no lawyer, but if they entered it October 22nd of 2020, she says, I'm going to go do the interview in December of 2023 because October 2023 made 3 years. So she said, this shit is up. This NDA, I couldn't talk for 3 damn years. It's been 3 years. I'm about to talk. So that's just my speculation. Again, I could be wrong than a motherfucker, but I'm assuming that she thought that she could talk because the 3 years had passed. Okay. All right, let's go. All right. She said, what a snake. Yes, what a snake. So, okay. The NDA defines as confidential information as follows, okay? Private and confidential information which is not generally known to the public. So anything the public don't know, if the public don't know it right now, he don't want the public to know, okay? He also says, not generally known to the public or readily as how you say that word? I can't pronounce the goddamn word. Ascertainable, meaning that they can go get it, like how I got these goddamn records, okay? So if it's not generally known to the public, or they can't just go get it themselves, right? By proper means, like I did it through proper means, by others, and is subject to reasonable effort to maintain its secrecy pertaining to any of the following: protected parties, Kevin Hart, his affiliate companies, including his officers, directors, executives, his family member, past, present, and future, meaning the exes, the now, and the one to come. You can't talk about shit. He's saying you can't talk about me. You can't talk about my kids. You can't talk about my ex-wife. You can't talk about my baby mama. You can't talk about my girlfriend. You can't talk about my mistress. You can't talk about my side chicks. You can't talk about nobody around me. Okay? Past, present, or future. And their affiliates. So, which means that you can't even talk about their family members. Meaning the baby mama new boyfriend, the baby mama husband, you can't talk about none of them. Okay? Can't talk about none of them. Anyway, the NDA further says Shakes cannot directly or indirectly disclose, exploit, disseminate any confidential information or person or entity whatsoever, including but not limited to friends, family members, journalists, tabloids, television or radio programs, websites, internet, social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, etc., or even threaten to do so. Like she can't even say, I'm going to do it. She can't even make threats and say, I'm about to call up the shade room. She can't even make threats. You hear me? Anyway, the NDA included also attorney fees, y'all. Which means that he said if you violate this NDA agreement, you, assistant, is going to have to pay the attorney fees for me to sue your ass. Kevin, whoever did this document for Kevin was smart as shit. Now, I don't know if it's going to fly. We have to wait and see. But this is a legal document. He said, look, this NDA includes even legal fees. Right here, look right here. The NDA includes an attorney fee clause, providing as follows: in any proceedings arise out of the related or out of or related to this agreement or its enforcement, the prevailing party shall be responsible, which means if you violate this agreement, your ass is going to have to pay for me to sue you, because I ain't playing with your ass, okay? So right here, it says in or around November. Again, the NDA was for 3 years. So the 3 years was up October of 2023, this year. November 2023. Let's see what happened in November. It says in or around, right here, y'all, November 2023, Kiwi, which is Tasha K, conducted an interview. So she had the interview in November, okay, with the assistant, which is Shakes, where Shakes made various statements regarding Kevin Hart, his family, his personnel, the employees that work for him, and other affiliates. Notwithstanding the truth or falsity of any such statements, the assistants would only have had knowledge regarding such subjects as a result of her employment. So what that's saying is, she did an interview speaking on things that she only gained the knowledge of through being his employee. She didn't. It's not like after the NDA, another thing I'm understanding that maybe he's thinking that, okay, anything you find out about me after the NDA is over with, you can speak on. But anything that happened within the employment period, you can't speak on. So right here, he's saying that she conducted the interview November 2023, and she spoke on things that she had privy information to during her employment. Okay. All right. It says such information necessarily would have constituted confidential information as defined by the NDA. So all that shit was under the confidential information, okay? Such as information regarding the alleged personal relationships affecting the employment status of personnel, and also any interaction with his family members. If he said, I can't stand my goddamn mama, she can't even, this agreement supposed to be able to cover that as well. Like, you can't even say that you heard me say, I can't stand my damn mama. You hear me? He put a goddamn NDA. Anyway, also included false and defamatory statements regarding Hart and certain legal disputes in which he has been involved. Okay? Now, we all heard that he was accused. Come closer, come closer, come closer. We heard that Kevin was accused of videotaping this other woman, not his wife, but video himself with another woman. He said, listen, he said, I didn't videotape myself. My friend did that. I didn't do it. But in this interview, the assistant said, Kevin made that video himself. But it's some other stuff that the assistant said too. All right. So anyway, during the interview, Kibi, which is Tasha K, asked the assistant whether she was subject to a non-disclosure agreement, which would prohibit her from disclosing the type of information that was the subject of the interview. The assistant said, yeah, I have an NDA, but I have loopholes. I have some loopholes that can get you the information that you need. Okay? So anyway, she claimed that the agreement had unspecified loopholes that she apparently contended would enable her to escape the consequences of her brazenly violating her promise. You broke a promise, Misha. Misha Shakes. Girl, you broke your promise. You were supposed to take them secrets to your grave, girl. You weren't supposed to tell on Kevin. Girl, what you do that for? Anyway, Misha spilled the tea for free. For free. Anyway, It says, in or around November the 23rd, an unidentified individual called up Kevin representative stating that the individual was affiliated with Tasha K and said that Tasha K conducted an interview with the assistant and that the interview included information or allegations that Kibi representative claimed would damage Kevin's Hart reputation. Said some info on you that is very damaging and can damage your reputation. And I want y'all to read it. Hold on. I want y'all to read it. What it say right here, y'all? The individual stated that Kibi would publish the interview unless Hart paid a ransom of $250,000. $250,000. She wanted 200, and I can't believe it. Listen, they said it was a call. It ain't in writing. They said it was a phone call. Now, I don't even know if that can be proven or not. Can it? Who knows? It might be able to be proven. I mean, you know, I know what can be proven. They can track whether or not a call from her. Well, they can track the call that came in and they can find out where the call was from. Who made the call, right? But they said this interview will be published unless we get $250,000. Ooh, child. At any rate, on or about the 17th of November, 2023, Kibi posted a teaser for the interview. Because I guess she said, oh, so you don't think fat meat is greasy? Pay me my money, Kevin. Pay me my money. Because if you don't, here's a little teaser right here. I ain't playing with you, Joker. Pay me my money. Or I'm going to publish this full interview. How about that? Pay me my money, Kevin. Run me my dollars. Run me my dough. Pay me my money, Kevin. She posted a teaser on November the 17th. Okay? Let's get the date again. So it just says in or around November, the unidentified person. But November the 17th, she posted a teaser to say, oh, you think I'm playing with you? You think I'm playing? They even included the link to the teaser right here, y'all. I think this is so funny. And guess what? I can click on it. Y'all think I should click on this link? Let's just see where the link goes. Let me see if I can get back here, though. But let's see where this link goes. Hold on, y'all. Oh, shit. Oh, hold on. It says allow. Let's see where it goes. Oh, let's look at the teaser. Let's look at the teaser right quick, y'all. Hold on. We got to see where the link went. Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, y'all might not be able to hear it. Tell me if y'all can hear this. Tell me if y'all can hear it. It says to share audio, share a tab instead. Oh, tell me if y'all can hear this. Can y'all see it? Can y'all hear this? Thumbs up if you can hear it.
Come on. Every time I get drunk, right? Or tipsy, my eyes be like this. I'm like,
can y'all hear that?
I'm waiting on y'all to get in here. Every time I get tipsy or I get some juicy ass wine, okay, I'll be like, hey, I'm looking drunk and stuff. But when I'm sober, I'll be like, hey. So guess what, y'all? The assistants are assisting. I need you to write in the chat real quick because I got another bombshell. The assistants are assisting this week, okay? So you know we don't supposed to Will Smith's assistant. And that interview will actually be dropping tonight on YouTube. Ooh, yeah, I bet you didn't see that. coming, okay? But the assistants have been assistant, and Brother Bilal, Will Smith's friend of 40 years, an assistant and stuff, to him and Dwayne Martin, have really been pushing the assistants out of their cubicles, let me tell you. Because we have another assistant here. Let me tell you. Baby, what assistant were you? Oh, my heart beat fast.
So right there, y'all see, they put this in there and it says, it reads Tasha K full live, November 17, 2023. Interview with Kevin Hart's former assistant coming soon. This is in the lawsuit, okay? Now y'all can go to Tasha K page and can read the rest of it. But it looked like she posted this 1 month ago. Okay, and it says Tasha K full live, November 17, 2023, coming soon. Okay, so again, I ain't gonna play the whole thing because I don't want Tasha to strike my page. This is under fair use, and I'm just reporting the news. Okay, so like I said, he put the link in here, and it went directly to that interview. That right there, that she did that teaser and put that camera on the assistant. Okay. So anyway, it says on around November the 17th, Kibi posted a teaser for the interview, gave the link wherein she, along with the assistant, taunted the supposedly salacious and damaging nature of the interview. Which means they teased and said, this shit is going to be released if you don't slide me my money. Slide me my money. That's what she said. And it said the teaser included a statement from Kibi at the 2-minute and 6 mark of the video, specifically warning that when you don't pay, we have to get money by any means necessary. Now we might go back to this video. Was y'all able to hear the video? Thumbs up if you was able to hear it, because we're gonna go back to the 2-minute and 6-second mark and see if she says what they say she said when you don't pay. Thumbs up if y'all was able to hear that. Thumbs up if y'all were able to hear that video. I don't see no thumbs going up. Oh, she said, yes, we heard it. Okay. Let's go back at the 2-minute and 6-second mark of the video. Okay. I'm gonna put it at exactly 2 minutes. I'm gonna put it at 2 minutes. Okay. Here's the 2 minutes. Pay close attention. Turn your volume up. Okay. Here we go.
Nobody over there in Heartbeat is paying my salary, okay? And Heartbeat, no. When you don't pay, we have to get money by any means necessary. So, assistant, okay?
I'm going to take it back a little further because that was the 2 minute. Let me go back to the 150. I want to see what she said right before that, okay?
Me, you know, they invited me on Cyrus XM Radio, you know, gave me a platform, but, you know, fortunately, I have nobody over there in Heartbeat is paying my salary, okay? And Heartbeat, no. You don't pay. We have to get money by any means necessary. So, assistant, okay? Assistant us in all types of wine.
Now, I just want to ask y'all, what do y'all think? Do y'all think that was a threat? I'm going to say yes, indeed. see it in Tasha's eyes as you look down, as she looked down at the screen. I could just see it. What do y'all think? When she said, if you don't pay, then we have to get our money by any means necessary. Do you think that Tasha K was making a threat on the low to Kevin? Yup. Because she even said, if you listen a little bit before that, she said she's been offered interviews by bigger radios, but they ain't trying to pay her. I'm gonna rewind it back a little bit, okay?
A quick show at Hart Studios, a nice studio, and I get it. They were very.
Hold on. Let me go back a little bit further, cause she talking, y'all. She talking.
Oh my God! Listen, Hart Studios. Do this to them too. Listen, I was just down at the Earthquake show at Hart Studios, a nice studio, and I get it. They were very hospitable. They got Cheesecake Factory for me. You know, they invited me on Cyrus XM Radio. You know, gave me a platform. But you know, fortunately, I have nobody over there at Heartbeat is paying my salary. Okay, and her no. When you don't pay, we have to get money by any means necessary.
So listen, she basically said that she was just down there. She said, I hate to do this to them. I really hate to do this to them. They got a nice studio over there. They got a Cheesecake Factory and shit. They real hospitable. They so nice. But unfortunately, they do not pay my salary, which means if they don't pay, we have to get money by any means necessary. Sounds like a little threat to me. And I ain't no lawyer, but that sounds like a threat to me. Tasha K. Woo, child. Woo, honey, I can only imagine how much Kevin gonna get from her because that sounds like a threat. But let's put this back up right quick because he noted that in his lawsuit. Whoever filed this lawsuit for Kevin wasn't playing, baby. Okay. So let's finish. Let's read some more. Anyway, it says the teaser video clearly was intended as a threat, right? And okay, I said that. And the 206, okay, yep, it said that about the don't pay. We have to get our money by any means necessary. Hart and his representative contacted the police and did not pay the ransom. Kibi was demanding, honey. Kevin called the popo and said, I just got a call. And they said they're going to run this video of my life if I don't pay their money. But Kevin them said, we ain't paying shit. On or around the 22nd of November of this year, Kevin Hart's attorney wrote Tasha K with a cease and desist of all legal and impermissible actions toward Hart, toward Kevin Hart, and that she refrained from publishing that interview. So they said, you have been issued a cease and desist. This letter right here says, shut your mouth. Keep your mouth closed and do not publish this interview or it's your ass. It's your ass. Okay? She was issued a cease and desist 4 days. Wait a minute. 17, 18, 19, 20, 1 through 2. 5 days after that phone call. 5 days after that phone call, she was issued a cease and desist. Yes, she was. It says a true and correct copy of the cease and desist letter is attached. Oh, shit. Do y'all, okay, thumbs up if y'all want to see Exhibit C. If y'all want to see the cease and desist, if not, you don't have to worry about it. But if you want to see the cease and desist is Exhibit C, let me know, okay? Let me continue on. It says, the cease and desist specifically advised Kibi that Kevin had contacted law enforcement about a threat. So it said the cease and desist letter included, Kevin didn't call the popo on you, ho. He called the popo on you, ho. The cease and desist letter advised Tasha that Kevin and Shakes were parties to an NDA. So it said this. Kevin called a popo on you, ho, and you talking to my assistants is a violation of an NDA. It says participating in that interview was a violation of the NBA, Tasha. That's what the cease and desist said. And it also said that Tasha publication of that interview would constitute international interference with contractual relations in addition to various other criminal and torturous conduct that Tasha had already engaged in. All right, let me see. Let's see if I can go to C and come back. Hold on. Let's see if I can go. Okay, I see the Exhibit A. What did we say? C, right? Wait a minute. Hold on. That's the confidentiality agreement. That was the 17th. And here, right here, oh, y'all can't see it. I'm sorry. Right here on the 17th, that's the confidential agreement. She signed it. It says 16. They scratched that out and put 2007. Oh, sorry. How did I turn it blue? Shit. Oh, okay. Anyway, she signed it or initialed it or whatever the hell. Okay. Long ass agreement. Oh, damn. Oh, this is a long ass agreement. She signed it though. Well, let me see. That ain't no signature. Hold on. Oop, I ain't trying to show the girl address. She signed it right here. Misha Shake show signed it, honey. So she agreed to all that bullshit in the beginning, honey. Damn, I guess when you work with celebrities, child, you got to be careful. All right, we coming up on C. All right, this must be the C. No, this Exhibit B. Let's see what this is. On November the 22nd, 2023, Tasha K was sent via email. It says, Mrs. King, this represents Kevin Hart. I am writing regarding your recent and ongoing violation of civil and criminal law, and to demand that you immediately cease and desist all such activities. You have already engaged in criminal conduct and torturous acts that would entitle Mr. Hart to monetary damages against you should you elect to commence civil litigations regarding this matter. To the extent that you do not cease and desist right the fuck now, your liability for such monetary damages will increase, as will your exposure to criminal penalties. As you are no doubt aware, recently someone on Mr. Hart's team was contacted by an unknown individual who indicated that he was affiliated with you and or your blog. This individual working at your direction stated that you would publish a story on social media that you contend would be damaging to Mr. Hart's reputation, unless Mr. Hart pays you $250,000. This, of course, constitutes extortion, girl, under the Penal Code Section 5518, and give rise to both criminal and civil liabilities against you and anyone involved in your efforts to extort Mr. Hart. The California extortion law prohibits any attempt to to obtain consideration for another through the wrongful use of force or fear. Penal Code 518. Your efforts to extract payments from Mr. Kevin Hart by threatening exposure of information supposedly so harmful to him is a textbook example. We have thus contacted the police, girl. We didn't call the police, ho, and will be following up with the law enforcement as we deem appropriate. We understand the story to be an interview with Mr. Hart's former assistant, Misha Shakes, that supposedly includes scandalous assertions against him. We note that Mrs. Shakes has a documented history with law enforcement in matters involving other high-profile individuals. So it sounds like he's saying, we already know that Tasha has been in trouble with the Popo before. Not Tasha, but I'm sorry, Misha Shakes. It says Misha Shakes. She has a documented history with law enforcement. So the assistant has already got her ass caught up with the Popo before, involving other high-profile individuals. It says, in advance of your threatening publication of this story, you posted a teaser with Mrs. Shakes on YouTube, which clearly was intended as a threat, sending a message to Mr. Hart's team that the more detailed story would not be published if and only if the ransom is paid. Your statement at approximately the 2-minute and 6-second mark of this teaser video, that when you don't pay, we have to get the money by any means necessary, is particularly damaging and leaves no ambiguity that criminal extortion was intended. And if I fuck that word up, I apologize in advance. In addition to liability arising from such criminal conduct that threatens activity will constitute a violation of the NDA between Kevin and his damn assistant. That certain mutual release and non-disclosure agreement dated October 22nd, 2020, which is the NDA between those individuals. While we do not presently know the specifics of the story of Mrs. Shakes' assertions, the subject matter of the story to which the YouTube teaser alluded was necessarily derived from information that the assistant gained while employed with Kevin Hart. And he says, and thus falls squarely within the definition of the NDA. Okay? Any such disclosure from Mrs. Shakes in connection with the story, therefore, constitute a clear violation of the NDA terms. To the extent that you were to facilitate such a breach of the NDA by publishing this story, you would be subject to civil liabilities for international interference with contractual relationships. Which means, he said, if you publish the story, you gonna get sued. That's what he said. As well as aiding and abetting the lies of the assistants, is what he said as well. We are aware of the facts that you have an established history as well. So right here, he even saying, we are aware that Cardi B already sued your ass for civil damages that exceeded $3 million. Right here, y'all. We are already aware that Cardi B got your ass already for $3+ million. You and your accomplice actions with respect to Kevin are more of the same, in addition to being flatly criminal, as set forth above. Your adjudicated history of such misconduct is further evidence of your intent in this case, leaving no doubt as to your liability here. So he's saying, because you already defamed, right, and slandered Cardi B, that shows your intent right here. It shows that you already guilty. We know what you're trying to do, chick, is what he's saying. It says we also, listen, he said, we are also all aware that you recently filed a bankruptcy filed for a bankruptcy protection. She wanted to be protected, right? They said we are aware that you filed because you wanted to be protected. Should you be advised that under the bankruptcy code of section 523, debt incurred as a result of your debtors, willful or malicious injury to a creditor. It says Kevin is not subject to the discharge, which means, so she tried to file bankruptcy and discharge the money that she owed to Cardi, and they said, no, you can't do that. You cannot do that. So Kevin right here is saying, you ain't gonna be able to do it to him either. You are not gonna be protected under no bankruptcy if I sue your ass. So I'm telling you, stand down, Tasha, stand the fuck down, right? But it says, in light of the foregoing issues, we demand that you immediately cease and desist all activities and publish statements relating to this story and refrain from any publication or threats or threatened release of the story. Please have your attorney contact me to discuss this matter further. We note that the foregoing is not an exhaustive recitation or recitation of applicable facts and law relevance to this matter. And none of the above constitute a waiver of any of Kevin's rights or remedies with respect thereof or thereto. Okay. So that was the cease and desist. They outlined everything. They basically outlined everything and even said, we know what you did to Cardi. So we already know your history. We know you filed bankruptcy and you weren't protected then and you ain't going to be protected now. Stand down, Tasha. Stand down is what they was telling her. Stand down. Stand down. Tasha said hell to the no. Allegedly, apparently. Let's get back up here. Right quick, y'all. Ooh, Lord, let's get back up here. Let's get back. Maybe we can skip some stuff because this is a long filing. Maybe we can skip some stuff. Maybe we can get to what he's asking for. Hold on. Oh, shit. Let's go back to, I think we had, we'll finish the facts. Okay, so I said that. And then November, okay, we did that one. We did on or around, okay. Okay, here we go. So we talked about the cease and desist, right? We already said she was sent to cease and desist, but on December the 22nd of 2022, I'm thinking she mean 2023. These dates are wrong. Yeah. So you see right here where it says on or about the 2023rd. Let me make it big for y'all. They made a mistake in this. I'm sure they can fix it. Because it says on October, it meant 2023 right here, y'all. Y'all see that? That's just a mistake. It happens. Kibi advised Hart representative that she would in fact be publishing the interview. And it has to be 2023 because they didn't even do the interview until 2023. Okay, so that's just a mistake. But anyway, right here, it says on December 22nd of 2020, it should be 2023, Kibi advised the Hart representative that she would in fact be publishing the interview. That evening at approximately 6 p.m., Kibi published the goddamn interview. She did exactly that. Hey, and listen, here's the link. I don't know if I can get to it. Let me just click it and see what it says. Where did it go? Oh! Let's go to it. Now I ain't paying $12 to see it. I ain't paying $12 to see it, but when I clicked that link, this is where it took me. This is where the hell it took me. What it say, y'all? What it say? What it say? I think it says exclusive. Kevin Hart, personal assistant, tells all alleged gambling addict, habitual cheater, paying millions to a man to take a DUI charge for him, and framing his best friend of 30 years in a fake extortion plot. Y'all see that? That's where the link took me to, y'all. And listen, it says that she published the interview on her website, www.tashaklive.com, specifically at this link, charged her viewers $12 per month subscription in order to access the interview. He said she did all this and charged people $12 a month to be able to access the interview. That's what, hey, I clicked the link and it went right there. Yes, I did. Hold on, let me get back, child. Let me get back, child. Let me get back. Let me get back. Let me get back. Okay. Woo, child. All right, what else you do? It says plaintiff incorporated by reference paragraph 1 through 28. Inclusive as if fully set. Okay, let me see if I need to read any of this shit. Hold on. Oh no, I'm not about to read all this. Hold on. All right, I'll click. Okay, all right. Anyway, it's just saying this is some legal shit. Let's go down to here. The act of contacting an individual and threatening to make. Okay, this right here outline what civil extortion is. Okay, so basically this is saying what a civil extortion is. I'm not going to read all that. If y'all want to read that, I will post these for y'all. For members only. I'm sorry, y'all, but this is going to be for my members only. I'm going to get them the tea because I had to pay for these motherfuckers. You hear me? So this is going to be for my members only. I'm going to put all of the documents in a members only section on my community board, but for members only to see. Members only, okay? Anyway, this right here, it outlines what the civil extortion is. This right here outlines the breach of contract. I'm not about to read all of that. International. Not the international. Did I say international? The intentional. Lord Jesus, it says the intentional. I'm up here hollering international. Why y'all ain't spot me? The intentional interference with contractual relations. Why did I say international? I have no damn idea. So anyway, that outlines what they are getting her for. Invasion of privacy. Okay, so these are the charges. Let me read them right quick. So they are charging her with civil extortion. The civil extortion is against both complainants, or should I say, I'm gonna say all the defendants. So the civil extortion is against all of them. When I say all, that is Misha, the assistant, Tasha K, and Kibi Studios or Kibi whatever. So her business, 3 entities. Okay, so all the defendants. That's the civil extortion charge. Then the breach of contract is against the assistants, which is Shakes. The intentional interference with contractual agreement is against Tasha K. And then the 4th one, invasion of privacy, is against all defendants. It's invasion of privacy, public disclosure of private facts, is against all the defendants. The 5th one is defamation, against Shakes. Okay, so hold on. So they're not getting Tasha for defamation. Let me just look one more time. It doesn't look like they're getting Tasha for defamation. They're getting Tasha again for civil extortion, invasion of privacy. That's only two I see. So invasion of privacy, civil extortion. Hold on. Oh, interference with a contractual agreement. So it looks like 3 charges. So she's not getting a defamation charge that I see. So this is what he's asking for. Let's go over what he's asking for, okay? Right here, it says he's asking for, when it says prayer means what he plans to get out of this. Hold on a second. All right, I had to drink some water. So the plaintiff prays for judgment against the defendants as follows. To the first cause of action, extortion. He wants general damages according to the proof in excess of the jurisdiction minimum for this court. So he's asking for minimum damages for general damages. He's asking for compensatory damages, I can't even say the damn word. Compensatory, how do you say that word? But compensations for damages according to the proof and punitive damages as follows. All right, so it says for the I can't say that word, y'all. But what the compensatory but the compensatory damages according to proof, but in the amount not less than $90,000. Okay. So for the compensatory damages, he's asking for not less than $90,000, and for attorney fees. Okay, that's the breach of contract. Okay, but that's for Natasha. We ain't gonna worry about what he's filing on her. We want Tasha K. Okay, so the interference with the contractor relations, the same thing. He's asking for not less than $90,000 for compensatory damages. And then he's also asking for punitive. Punitive is given by the court. They set that amount, okay? All right. Invasion of privacy, this Tasha K. He's asking for compensatory damages according to the proof in the excess of the jurisdiction minimum for this court. And punitive damages, they set that themselves. Now, the defamation is not for Tasha. Okay, he's also asking on all the causes of action, he's asking for prejudgment interest as allowed by the law for cost of suit, which means he wants them to pay for his attorney fees and such other further relief as the court may deem properly. So he's asking for compensatory damages, punitive damages, court fees, and his attorney fees. That's what the hell he asking for, okay? So yeah, that's it, honey. Again, I am going to put all of this information for my members. All I got to say is it looks bad for Tasha K. I do see some loopholes, though. I have to say that it looks bad just because, you know, it looks like in that video that she was making a threat toward him, but it looks like some loopholes as far as sitting down having that interview. It looks like I don't know too much. I don't know anything about an NDA, But it looks like that NDA covered 3 years. I don't think an NDA goes forever. I know it doesn't. An NDA is not forever. Okay. Now, what I don't know about an NDA, and you would have to ask an attorney this, is that NDA saying that you can't talk about nothing ever, or is it just saying for 3 years? That's what we need to find out. Okay. Because it sounds like that may be a loophole right there. But the extortion does sound like Tasha will be charged with the extortion. If they can prove that the call was made by somebody that she knows, or even from her office or wherever, right? But that little clip where she says, I love the Hart studio. They always so nice and, you know, hospitable. They're just wonderful. They even got a cheesecake factory in there, but they don't pay my salary. And I have to get the money by any means necessary when they don't pay. That is a clear threat. And I don't know how Tasha gonna get out of that one right there. Maybe she'll go hire her a good ass attorney. I don't know how that's gonna work. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Hey, listen, Milan, I already know you laughing at me because I fucked up that word what's the goddamn word again? Hold on. I can't even say it, y'all. Compensatory. If I look at it, I can't say it. Compensatory damages. Listen, I be getting twisted up, girl. I be getting all twisted up and shit. She said Kevin money is long. It's a wrap up. Oh, y'all think? All right, so y'all think Kevin is gonna win? Who thinks Tasha is going to beat this shit? Who thinks Tasha is going to beat this shit? She said, damn, his lawyer combed through everything. He did. It's all bad for her. I don't know how she'll get out of this. Well, I think the interfering with contractual agreement she might get away with, because the contractual agreement seems to only have been for 3 years, but I don't know how that goes. So she may not get the invasion of privacy. She may not get the interference with the contractual agreements, but the extortion, yeah, I think you're gonna get. I don't know. I think that's hard to beat. You can't sit here and say that she wasn't talking to him. Oh, she was definitely talking to him. And he got it though. That's the thing. He understood exactly. He probably was watching Tasha K every goddamn day to see when she was gonna drop that interview. I am going to upload it while I'm on the thing with y'all, because I'll forget. So I'm gonna do that to my members right now. Y'all don't get mad at me, but I'm about to do it to, hold on. All members are not going to be able to read it, but I'm sure y'all don't mind, because some of them members from the, the other side or whatever, let them pay for their own damn documents. Hold on. Don't beat me up. They just documents. Community. Channel members. What is this? Oh. How do I put these documents here? Oh, I can't. I can't even put them here. Well, how can I get them to y'all? I can't even put documents in here. Oh, I gotta take pictures of them. Damn. This 21 damn pages. Okay, I'll figure it out, y'all. Well, I thought I could just upload documents, but it says that I have to, that's crazy. Anyway, I would have to take a picture of each one of those. Well, that's about crazy. I thought I could get y'all unless I just take pictures of each one of them. She said, yeah, like Rose said, it might be a wrap for her. Oh, Lord. Lexi said this one is in the air. Why you think that, Lexi? The extortion is the biggest piece. Yes, because the extortion actually, if I'm not mistaken, but it just like in the extortion one, he is asking for, let me go back to the extortion. He is asking for general damages according to proof in excess of the jurisdictional minimum for this court for compensatory damages according to the proof and punitive damages. Yep, that's a big one. That's a big one right there, right? He is asking for that right there for the extortion. So that's a big one. You know? Oh, Lord. But you know what? Even though his money long, and I've heard people say that, oh, that he might end up getting more than Cardi B. But I don't know, because he's gonna, like, Cardi B came and performed. You remember she told the judge that she wanted to take her life, that she didn't want to make love to her husband. She said that word is kicking your tail more. Yes, it is. And I wish I never have to say it again, but I'm pretty sure I probably need to just practice because I'm gonna have to say it again. But Cardi B performed. She said that she was, oh my God, she didn't want to make love to her husband. She didn't want to kiss her kids. She wanted to unalive herself. So Cardi B performed. Will Kevin do this? Do you think that Kevin will come out here and, because it has to be some type of, well, that's for defamation. That's for defamation. Defamation, that's the one that you have to prove 4 things, that it affected you mentally, psychologically, and all that bullshit. But extortion, I don't know. How do you prove extortion? You might be right. He may get more money because I think that I think that if he can prove extortion, he ain't even gotta perform. She said the case is messing up his marriage. Kevin can perform also. Oh, yeah, he was in movies, wasn't he? He is an actor. Did her last attorney sue her also? You know what? Did Tasha last attorney sue her? I don't know. If she sued her, she probably sued her for unpaid attorney fees. Tasha spent a grip on her last attorney and lost both appeals. She don't have that type of money to fight it. But at the same time, can you squeeze blood from a turnip? I mean, if you ain't got the money, how he gonna get it? I mean, I don't know, Tasha, girl, you probably messed up, honey. You done messed up, but I don't know. And let me let y'all see this. Let me let y'all see this right here, because I bought this too. Let me let y'all see this one. Hold on. This one right here. Hold on. She has 30 days to respond. Right here, look, it says, you are hereby, or you have been sued. Notice, you have been sued. The court may decide against you. Oh, hold on. Did I make it big or small? I don't even know if I made it big or small. Anyway, it said, you have been sued. The courts may decide against you without you being heard unless you respond within 30 damn days. Read the information below. You have 30 calendar days after this summons and legal papers are served on you to file a written response at this court and have a copy served on the plaintiff. A letter or phone call will not protect you. Your written response must be in proper legal form if you want the courts to hear your case. There may be a court form that you can use for your response. You can find these court forms and more information at the California Courts Online Self-Help Center, your county law library, or at the courthouse nearest to you. If you cannot pay the filing fee, ask by the court clerks for a fee waiver and all that stuff, whatever. Anyway, she got 30 damn days. She got 30 damn days from the date she was served, which is the 26th. Well, I don't know if she was served on the 26th, but it was filed. The county, it says electronically filed by Superior Court of California, Los Angeles on the 26th of October. So I'm assuming that's when she got, I don't know, we're going to say the 26th. So she got 30 damn calendar days to react. Y'all. Do y'all think Tasha is going to respond or not? Do you think that Tasha is going to respond in 30 days? They said, we're going to hear this shit against you, with you responding or not. We're going to make a judgment. They said that we're going to decide against you, with or without you. We deciding. You got 30 days to react. Father God, and they gave her, they sued her and said, you got 30 days. Whoo, Tasha is bringing in the New Year's stress, y'all. She's like, I can't believe it. But somebody said that she would rather get sued because it brings more publicity to her channel. That's what somebody said. I don't know how true it is. But woo, honey. She said, Lord, I'm back. Her sister done dozed off. Listen, I know it's late. What time is it? 7, 8, 9, 10. It's almost at 11 o'clock y'all time. And I know, today's Friday. Today's Friday. Y'all should be just fine. It's Friday. I think it is. It is Friday. She said, is Tasha still married? Yes. She's still married. And I'm sure her husband is like, God damn. My husband really came and snatched this damn microphone out my hand. He'll be like, oh, hell no. You ain't making another damn live video. You hear me? She said, remember RK is doing Tasha K too? Yeah, but did R. Kelly already release his paperwork? I don't know if he did. Did R. Kelly already? I know it was a threat, but did he actually file? If he did, tell me what state he filed in and I'll get that paperwork too. Shit, why not? Why not, child? Why not? I gotta figure a way to get y'all these documents, huh? How am I gonna get y'all these documents? I'll figure it out. I gotta figure it out some type of way. It gotta be a way. Somebody said she just don't learn. Look. I don't know what Tasha K was thinking. Oh, Tasha K, like, girl, she do the most. You know what I'll do? I'll post I will post the documents in my group. If you have not joined my group, I'm gonna drop a link to y'all. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. And I got my moderators verifying who you are before just letting you in the group. So if it's taking a few days for you to get into the group, it's because the moderators are verifying who you are. You know, to be honest with you, I want my group to be my members only. So I'm going to let y'all know that that's going to change. If you are not a member, which means your name is not green, you will be put out the group. I'm not saying it's going to be today. I'm just saying you will be put out the group. Once we figure all this out, I got to give my moderators the list of the group members. And this is just going to be for my group. At first, we were going to share groups, but I see the importance of separating them because, well, y'all know I don't want the Little Truth drama in my group. If you want the Little Truth drama, you're going to have to go to another group. My group is going to be about what I discuss and things that I want to be in the group, but I don't want to hear about the little truth drama. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, no disrespect for the truth drama. If I want to hear it, I know where to go. I just don't want my group to be two the truth drama groups, if you understand what I'm saying. So let me drop the link to my group. And hold on, I gotta figure out how to share it again. How do I share this again? Oh, here you go, right here. Share the group. All right, I'm about to drop it. Now, again, it might be boring to y'all because it's going to be what we talk about on the platform. So if we spoke about it and we want to continue it in the group, we will. Or upcoming topics that I'm going to be discussing, I will also put in the group. But I'm also just going to put random stuff in there too. Like I may not even have a live on it, but it might be some tea that I just want y'all to hear that I may not have a live on. You know what I mean? So that type of stuff will be posted in the group too. But I ain't here to be talking about, no weird shit. You know what I'm saying? She said, my YouTube name is not my same name on Facebook. Meek, I thought I already approved for you to come in. I think I did. But anyway, that's the link. That's where I'm going to put the files. So let me do that right now. But again, it's going to be... it's going to be for members only, okay? So I'm going to put both the Kevin Hart, the summons, and the, hold on. I'm doing it not because I forget. All right. All right, I just posted it. Again, if you are not a member, you are going to be put out. I'm not saying today, I'm not saying tomorrow, but if you wake up and realize you are not a member, and if you have a membership, just contact me on my messenger and just say, hey, Amora, I have a membership. Matter of fact, don't do it on my messenger because you want to know why? Because your name may be different, and I'm not going to know who the hell you are. So I'm going to put my email address here. So I want to do that. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm thinking. Yeah, I'll do it. Okay. I'm going to put my email address. Okay, I don't. Somebody said don't do it. Yeah, because I just thought about it. All right. But anyway, yeah, just contact me messenger and just, if you get taken out the group and you are a PAN member, because I will have to look and see if you are a PAN member. And if you are a PAN member, you will be back into the group. Okay. So don't get upset if you get taken out. Because once I send the list in to the moderators and they look on there, they're going to see that you are a member or you're not a member. Like I said, if you're going by a different name, send me a inbox and just let me know that you're going by a different name. Okay. And I will take the list and I will put the name that you're going by, your different name on there, okay? Or the name that you are under your membership, okay? Well, y'all, she said post it in the group. Oh, my email? Okay, I will. But I just posted, I need to post another one. Well, I don't need to post the other one. The summons is just saying she got 30 days to respond. But I just posted the paperwork in there, honey. The lawsuit, the 21-page long lawsuit, child. Did I put the right one in there? I think I put the right one in there. The 21 document lawsuit, child, is in the group. And what I'm gonna do when I go over cases like this, I want to have the receipts. So I'm gonna make sure that I have the receipts. Okay. Hold on. Yeah. That's cool. Anyway, so I'm about to get off because we supposed to be playing phase 10 tonight. I'm about to go beat some ass in phase 10 with my family, honey. Me, my daughter, and my husband is about to play phase 10, and you already know your girl gonna win. Listen, the moderators are approving you guys, so it may take a minute because they might be asleep right now. Or they might be up. Do I have any moderators in here? Any? Let me see. I thought I saw one. So she's not in here. I don't see her. Well, I call her. I call the moderators and let them know. Yeah, I know Tinkers was in here, but I don't see her anymore. Hey, Brown Shorty from Brooklyn. About to make you a moderator. Are you already in the group? Let me see. What's your name in the group, Rose? Is it Rose? I think so. Let me see. Rose. Yeah, I got you, baby. I'm making you a moderator right now. All right, Rose, you're a moderator, baby. Y'all, I like Rose. She young. She young and be sticking with us old ass people. She be sticking with us old people. You hear me? Rose be up in here, honey. Rose can be anywhere, shaking her tail, feathering shit. And she be sticking with us young people. She said, it's been 3 days. I think I've been pending. Tammy, what's your name? Tammy. You probably don't want to tell me. Oh, okay. I know you. Some of y'all that I know, I'll go ahead and do it myself. Oh, I got you, Tammy. Oh, I got you. Put your name that should be on Facebook in here. Put your name on Facebook if you in here. If you waiting to be approved. Petty Ready. What's your name, Petty Ready? Because I don't see no Petty Ready. What's your real name? And she's like, I ain't telling you my name. I need to know which one you are. Okay, I got you, Lynn. Approved. I let you in, Tammy. You in already. Oh, that's you. I got you, girl. I got you. Octavia already let you in. Sonia, you in. I know you, Sonia. Crystal, I don't see no. Oh, there you go. I got you, Crystal. I got you. I think so, Des. She said, read my text. Where's your text, girl? Milan, where you at? Hold on. Is it in the group or on here? And any questions y'all have, she said, and it's all the shit talking like she can't be touched. Oh, you talking about Tasha? Well, girl, she said, read my comment. Marilyn, where your comment at, baby? She said, come on now, auntie. We all ain't old. Don't be letting them think we across the street because we be with the shits. We ain't old, girl. She said, Marissa, how old are you, hon? This is for Moore's group on Facebook. The group would be for her members only. What did Marissa say? What did Marissa say? She says, I think I fit in with y'all. Oh, yeah, Marissa, you can come. It's for members. I dropped the link. I'm going to drop it again for those that just came in. I just dropped the link right here. This is for my group on Facebook. That's for members only. If you're in there and we find out that you are not a paid member, you will be removed. It's not like we got no secret shit in there, but I want my members to be privy to things that other people are not. Okay? Period. Let me hit refresh because somebody said they just tried to do it. Hold on. I don't recognize. For some reason, oh, I know you. Yes, I recognize you. Yep, Tamara, I got you, baby. I know you. I know you. These other three, I'm not sure about. Yeah, yeah, these other three, I'm not sure about. Mrs. Rogers, you're already in there. I got you already, girl. You should be in there already. But anyway, I don't know these three. I'll let these three people right here, I will let I would look at the list or either let the moderators look at the list and see if they're in there, okay? Because these three don't ring no bell for me. And one of them say they in 56 groups. Good Jesus. How the hell you in 56 groups? God damn. But I mean, to each his own. That's just a lot of damn groups. She said, hi, I'm more wait next week, renewal my membership. Oh, okay. That's fine. Once you renew, just let me know you just renewed and I will put you in the group. Okay. She said, I just sent my request. Makila, you already in there, baby. I already hit yours. I did yours already. Yeah, I got you in there, Makila. Now who is this? Sandra. What's your name on here, girl? None of these pictures look like you. Is it just Cookie? Is that you? It looked like you. She said, we're going to turn up in there. We're going to turn up, but we turn it up on other topics, though. You know what I'm saying? She said, my name is the same on Facebook. Marissa, I got you already, honey. We're going to turn up. She said, I have a different profile. But what's your name? Sandra. I don't see a Sandra. I don't. Deborah. I don't know who that person is right there. But anyway, the rest of them that I have on here, I will check and see if they are on my list, or I will have the moderators do that and check and see if she said, I just joined. I have a different name on Facebook. Yeah, Debbie, you're not a member, baby. You are not green unless you're green, and I don't see it. I don't see that you're green. You're not green, Debbie. Da, 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 da. She said, so we need to send you an inbox. if on Facebook name is different from YouTube when you go to members only. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Elevated Aura, I think you're already in there. I think you are already in there, honey. Now, I will say that if you are in the other group, the Beehive group, I automatically allowed you to come in because we already know Beehive and check your ass out. So if you're in the Beehive group, you already automatically going to come in. Just sent my request. Oh, that's you? I didn't know that was you. Okay. Anyway, anybody else right quick? Oh, she said, read my phone message. Hold on. I think I let you in already. I let you in. You already in. Yeah, I recognize. Okay. Yeah, I got you in. All right, hold on. Let me find you. Let me find you right quick. Y'all know I need to quit. I just clicked over to the other group. Lord Jesus. Oh my God. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Y'all just be so funny. Let me find you right quick. And y'all speak in this damn group now. Now I'm going to tell y'all, don't see and just look. Y'all better say hello when somebody say hello. Look, I'm saying that. I don't even do it all the time. All right, Levette. You good to go. All right, y'all. That was just a little admin work right there. She said, I just went to the group and posted. Yes, I saw you, Sandra. She said, Amore, you don't know me. Yeah, Deborah, you in there, aren't you? It's another Deborah. Hold on, let me see. No, I just let the Deborah in. Well, wait a minute, Deborah. You got a different last name on here, girl. I don't know who this Deborah is. She said, I'm trying to get in now. Yeah, but I got a Debbie and then I got a Deborah. Deborah, you're in. Debbie is not a member. That Debbie right there is not a member. Deborah, you're good. You're good, Deborah. You're in there. She said, I got some name on my Facebook. I got the same name on my Facebook. Tiffany, I don't even see that you requested. So you must already be in there, Tiffany. But you're not a member. So if you in there, you need to come out. Hold on. Tiffany. Oh, that's a different Tiffany. Anyway, I'll verify it. I verified. She said, I just sent my request. Okay. Did you get my petty ready? Yes, I got yours. Refresh your thing. Rose, here's the link. One more time. This is the link. One more time, Rose. Look right in there right now. Look at the message right now, Rose. Okay, Debbie. Once you join, let me know. Just send me a message. Let me know. Or even if you're in here, if I'm on live, just let me know. and I will add you as long as I can verify that you are green, okay? Listen, you might have to refresh your browser to see that you're in there because I just put like at least 20 people in. So just refresh your browser. Let me see if you said Rose, you just requested it. Let me see, Rose. I got you, Rose, and I got you, Marissa. I know who this person is. Okay, boom, gotcha. God damn, in 163 groups, like, oh my God, 163. Jesus. Ooh, I ain't in that many groups, y'all. 163 is a lot, child. What y'all talking about? How you keep up with all this? Yes. Damn. All right, y'all. I'm about to hop off because I got to go play a game and I can sit here all night. But I got you in, Rose. Just hit refresh. Just hit refresh. She said, Miss Brooklyn girl. Hey, Rose got it. Brown Shorty from Brooklyn. I'm going to text you a list of my members and you can go from there, okay? Thank you. She said, I requested Cookie. What's your name? Oh, got you, Cookie. I got you. I ain't know who you was. I got you, girl. I got you, Cookie. Y'all, tonight was fun. I really enjoyed y'all like I always do. I appreciate y'all. This was fun. We got to break down the lawsuit from Kevin. And yeah, Tasha K got something on her hands. And I guess we'll just have to find out real soon because she only got 30 days to respond. So I guess we'll be finding out something real soon. Soon as I find out, I will come back and update y'all with the information. If the other, like R. Kelly, I heard Will Smith supposed to be filing charges against her. We'll just have to see. But it looks like these celebrities are following the leader. You understand what I'm saying? I guess these celebrities say, if I can get $4 million from somebody talking some shit about me that's not true, oh, I'm a sue. Hey, shit, if I was a celebrity, I would sue. If I can get $4 million, oh yeah, hell yeah, I'm suing. So you can be working for me. I can get your checks, honey. You hear me? She says, do I need to send you an inbox with my Facebook name? Yes. Send it right quick. Thank you so much, S. Hawkins. I appreciate it. She said, we appreciate you back. Have a good night. Mwah. Thank y'all so much. If y'all have any questions, we can follow up talking about this in the group, honey. Talk to y'all later. Bye.